excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I'm going to show you how you are going to make money by doing absolutely nothing. You might say, my friend, you're taking it too far, for you do not reap where you didn't sow. Yes, that's true, my friend. But the only sowing that you're going to do is to download some apps, some 3 apps onto your phone, and then you start to see those apps working for you. Before I give you the details of these apps, my friend, let me encourage you to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that I can notify you each time I drop a video, okay? Our first app is called Lifecoin. Get paid to work. So what you do is to download this app onto your Android phone or iPhone, okay? And then it starts to monitor your steps. And then that way you are going to accumulate what are called life coins. And these life coins can be redeemed. You can redeem them for some other things that you want. It might be an Apple Watch. It might be a PayPal gift card. It might be an Amazon card. You might also even redeem them by getting some AirPods, right? And some other cool gifts that you want. All right. So it says here, redeem for amazing prizes. Your life coins can be exchanged for gift cards, sporting goods, and more, right? So these are the things that you can get with your life coins. All right. So 10 daily walks into mining sessions, right? So you just download the apps onto your phone, and then you collect life coins for every GPS confirmed step, right? It means the app will be connected to the GPS, right? Global positioning system, right? And then now you are monitored the way you are working, right? And then you accumulate these life coins, okay? The more steps you take, the more you earn, right? And then you can also have a referral program, right? By becoming an ambassador and even get some more, all right? So you can see that. And is this Lifecoin a legit, or what sort of rating does it have? It has 4.7 stars out of 5, and 7,000 people left their reviews. So you can be comfy with that one, okay? You can be comfortable or downloading this app onto your phone. Our next app is called Small, right? And cash rewards, right? So you install this app onto your phone and you start to get paid. And how do you get paid? Small is a lock screen rewards app that allows you to earn points in exchange for us placing ads and content on your locked screen. Every day we'll give you points in exchange for having the small lock screen installed. And regardless of how many times you see it, you have points added to your account. Just use the phone normally and get paid. All right, so you get paid, you earn points, you do surveys if you want, right? And you also get some bonus offers, right? And you can refer a friend and even get some more money, okay? So we have how many stars? Let's see. Right. 24,000 people left their reviews right here, and this app has got a 3.1 star out of 5 rating. My last app, my friend, which I'm going to show you is Sweatcoin, right? Hi there, we are Sweatcoin. We want a healthier you on a healthier planet. We achieve this by converting your outdoor steps into a currency to spend on cool products and services. It pays to work. All right. So you get paid just for working with this app. So you download it on your Apple phone or Android phone right here, right? And then the app will start to monitor your steps. And as you walk, as you take the steps, you accumulate sweat coins. All right. So like you like money, yes, but you need also to be healthier. That's why it is called a sweat coin, right? So let's see how it works. Look at these numbers, my friend, right? If you can read that number. Okay, maybe millions right here. Then 500 million. Okay, then that one, billion. Yeah, steps converted in real time, shown in real time. Okay, right? So, and this app is the #1 app downloaded in Germany, in UK, in Hungary, in Austria, and other places. All right. So what can I buy with my sweat coins? Right, let's see. Right, you can buy some goods and services and some experiences ranging from high-tech shoes to iPhones. All right. And you can also even donate your sweat coins, right, to some charities. Okay, so this is how you do it. How do sweat coins get their value? Right, there are some partners, okay? The value of a sweat coin is derived from our wide-reaching partnerships, from brands that want to connect with health-conscious audiences, insurers wishing to encourage healthier lifestyle choices, and governments looking to reduce healthcare costs. Okay, right. So you can see that it's some partners, some insurers, and some governments. Okay, you can see the privacy policy. We need your location data to verify your steps. It is not for sale to any third party, and it will never be. So the privacy policy is right here. Verification algorithms, you can find them right there. Okay, just download the app onto your phone and see what happens. Okay, so I've shown you the 3 apps that I promised you, my friend, that you are going to download onto your phone, and then you start to get paid just for doing nothing. You're working with the app on your phone and you are getting paid. This is why I'm saying you are going to get paid just for doing nothing. Okay, right. Yes, my friend, this is a cool way of accumulating some coins here and there. But let me also announce to you that there is another cool way of making autopilot money. You can make money on autopilot. You can make money whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling, whilst you are on vacation, whilst you're spending quality time with your family and with your loved ones. Okay. And what I'm talking about is called affiliate marketing, where you are just selling other people's products and services. Right. So I've got a link in the description below, which says my #1 recommendation for making money online on autopilot. Click that link and it will take you to a site where you are going to have an opportunity to learn how you can make hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars on autopilot. Right. Don't be afraid to leave your details where it says your name and your email. Leave your name and your good email so that you can have access to a mentor, to an advisor, a 6-figure, 7-figure advisor who can teach you and show you the way to go. And they can talk to you one-on-one. If you've got questions, they can answer them one-on-one. Okay, so if you found value in this video, my friend, let me know in the comments. We'll see you in the next videos that are there. Okay, either of the two. See you later. Bye for now.